Welcome to Bharat Mandapam Bulletin, your trusted source for the latest updates, announcements, and highlights from India's premier global venue. Stay informed about the prestigious events, international summits, exhibitions, and cultural showcases happening right here at Bharat Mandapam. Now, without any further delay, let's quickly have a look at the events lined up for Convention Center this week. First up, on 19th April, there is 365th Music for Meditation and Healing event in meeting rooms and Plenary Hall of the Convention Center. Again on 19th April, there is International Awards Ceremony in Auditorium 1. On 20th April, there is DP Kohli Memorial Lecture 2026 in meeting rooms and Auditorium 1. On 20th and 21st April, there is Heat and Cooling Forum 2026 NRDC India Private Limited in meeting rooms and Leaders Lounge. Moving on 23rd April, there is ICMR Medtech Mitra in meeting rooms and Leaders Lounge. On 24th of April, there is BRICS Middle East and North Africa in meeting rooms and Summit Room. From 24th to 26th April, there is 76th Annual DOS Conference 2026 in meeting rooms, Auditorium 1 and Multipurpose Hall. From 24th to 26th April, there is Global Annual Leadership 2026 in meeting rooms, Summit Room and Leaders Lounge. On 25th April, Rashtriya Ratna Samman 2026 in Auditorium 2 of the Convention Center. Now let's have a look at the events lined up for exhibition halls. First up, from 17th to 19th April, there is Autotech Asia in Hall number 4 ground floor. On 18th and 19th April, there is Educators Expo International 2026 in Hall number 12 and 12A. Moving on, from 22nd to 24th April, there is Anuga Food Tech Indian Dairy 2026 in Hall number 2 ground floor. At the same time, there is IFAT Delhi and Drink Technology Delhi 2026 in Hall number 6. At last, from 22nd to 24th April, there is Ride Asia EV 2026 in Hall number 5 ground floor. And that's the wrap up. Follow Bharat Mandapam Bulletin and stay ahead with the timely updates, in-depth coverage and engaging stories from India's global venue.